Okay, guys, I love doing these. We're doing another comparison of data quality from Lusha today. We just did a video on Apollo, and when I punched in Lusha to pull it up, I thought this was pretty funny because they're saying they have 120 million more contacts than Lusha, and they didn't have any contact information for plumbing owners in Allentown, Pennsylvania. So let's jump into Lusha, which I just logged into their dashboard, and we are going to try this out. So I wasn't totally sure where to go. I did make a list, but I think it's just a place that I can assign contacts to that I find because there's nothing to do in the list section. So I'm going to jump over to prospecting. It says new, so I'm guessing maybe they were just based on the LinkedIn extension that I've seen they have. I'm not really sure. Let's go into prospecting and see what we can make happen here. So industry, let's go plumbing. Is that an option? No. Okay. Let's at least get our geography in here. Job title, I've sent executive, contact location, Allentown. No options. You're okay, buddy. My dog's having some dreams back there. Hey, you're okay? It's okay. All right, minor interruption here. Let's go to company name. Let's try going by companies, I guess. Maybe that's a better way to do it. I'm still trying to find contact location. Let's go United States, and then can we get more granular than that? Allentown. I'm just not seeing it. I'm sure there's a way to do this, though, guys. Lusha is very well known, so there's definitely a way to do this, I'm sure. But these look very similar to LinkedIn's categories. I'm not sure how I'm going to find this. Integrations, API, there's a community. How do I find what I'm looking for? Company name, company headquarters location, cities. Okay, let's try that. Allentown, Pennsylvania. Okay, we're getting somewhere. So, industries. Is there a keyword section? Keywords. Come on, guys, give me more than this. Job titles. Owner. I could type them all in, but department, contact location, United States. I mean, that doesn't really matter. People, year founded, revenue, industry. There's got to be plumbing of some kind. HVAC maybe, but just not plumbing, but they're often hand in hand. I'm kind of lost on this one. Specific companies or URLs. Let's just put plumbing in there and see, because then we'll get companies with plumbing in the name. There's none. Plumbers and per. Again, nothing for Allentown, Pennsylvania. Let's just get rid of the seniority level. See if we can find any companies to start. People, 0. Companies, 0. So they can't find anything with plumbing, plumber, or plumbers in Allentown, Pennsylvania. We're just getting nothing. I don't want to give up on it yet, though. Maybe they do something we don't know about, right? Let's go to team. No, that's just if I want to add other users. Integrations. Again, just sales enablement platforms. And there's an API, but there's nothing that I can pull with Lusha that's going to help us out here. So Lusha extension works across the web. Get more seats. We'll at least take a look and give them a fighting chance here with their extension. So easily find B2B contact information. And Lusha, how does the extension work? LinkedIn, real company decision makers on any website. So I could do a bunch of manual research, and this is kind of just what every other software sales automation tool does, is when you're on a website, if they can find contact information, to look it up. But this is not an automation that is going to save us any significant amount of time. And from their own research, we've got nothing. So this one gets a big fat 0 as well, unfortunately, guys. Thanks for watching.